In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate monday.com to n8n. We'll walk through the connection process from start to finish so you can link your monday.com account inside n8n and begin using it in your workflows. This setup is straightforward, but there are a couple of places where it helps to move carefully, especially when working with your API token. First, open monday.com and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you'll want to select developers. Inside the developer area, look for the API token section and open it. Here, you'll see the option to copy your token. Go ahead and click copy. This token is what allows n8n to securely connect to your monday.com account, so treat it like a password. Avoid sharing it, and if you ever think it has been exposed, you should replace it from inside monday.com. With that copied, switch over to n8n. From your n8n dashboard, click Create Workflow to start a new workflow. Once the blank workflow opens, click Add First Step. This is where you choose the app or service you want to work with. In the search field, type monday.com. When the monday.com option appears, click it to add the node to your workflow. After that, choose the action. Create a board. Even if your eventual workflow will use a different monday.com action, selecting this helps you begin the connection and configure the account. Next, click Setup Credential. This is the step where you connect n8n to monday.com using the token you copied earlier. In the credential form, fill in the required details. Typically, this means pasting your API token into the appropriate field and completing any remaining credential information n8n asks for. As you enter those details, take a second to double check everything before saving. A small typo or an extra space in the token can prevent the connection from working properly. If the credential saves successfully, that means n8n is now connected to your monday.com account and ready to use for this node and future workflows. At this point, the integration is set up and you can continue building out your automation in n8n using monday.com. If you're following along, it's a good idea to save your workflow once the credential is added so you don't lose your progress. And that's it. You've successfully connected monday.com to n8n and prepared your workflow for monday.com actions.